Today we will be making French donut muffins. So first you're going to put one large egg in a bowl and it has to be beaten. I've already done that. So now we have to add milk and 1/3 cup melted butter. So let's add the milk and then we'll add the butter. Mix it up for a few seconds until it changes slightly in color. And there's no like streaks of different colors in it. Then we will combine flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and nutmeg into the bowl. So first I'll add the sugar, then the flour. Let's take this out first. And then the salt, baking powder, nutmeg is all in this cup. Now you're going to stir for a little bit until it has one of those like consistencies, like kind of like this, but when all the flour has disappeared. So just stir for a little bit and it will get that consistency. Pretty much has that consistency. It should look like this when it's all mixed up. Okay, so now that it's all mixed up, there's no flour on the sides. Maybe there's a little bit, but that's okay. You're going to scoop it up with one of these little scooper thingies and put them into these tiny muffin tins. You can spray them lightly with Pam so it doesn't stick. And that will be all. And then I forgot to say, you have to preheat the oven to 400 before you bake them. Okay, once everything is filled up, you're going to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes once it's browned. And while it's baking for 15 minutes, you can make the icing with us. Okay, now that it's baking and it's been gonna bake for 15 minutes, we are going to make the topping. So first you're gonna have a 1/3 cup of melted butter into a tiny bowl. Then you're going to, here I'll put that there, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to it. Then the other ingredients are 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. First I'll add my sugar and then I'll add my vanilla. Now that it's all in, you're going to stir it thoroughly for a few seconds until it has a consistency that you think it should have. I haven't made this before, so I don't fully know how these are going to turn out. So I'll be trying them in this video. It probably should look like this. And kind of looks like a thick icing, kind of like the stuff in cinnamon rolls. Now that we have that, we're going to wait for the muffins to finish cooking and we'll drizzle it on top. Okay, now that we have our muffins out and our icing ready, we will take this ladle and we will drizzle it on top. Let me take out the whisk and we will exactly just drizzle it perfectly on top. Make sure that you don't miss a muffin, and if there's any extra like muffins that you want to keep to yourself to share with your family, you have to taste test them. They're so good if you're trying to make them. Now the next plate here, and then we'll just try to use all of the icing and we'll be done. Then after that, we will taste test them. I think that's all. Okay, now that we have iced our muffins and they have cooled down a little bit, we're going to try them. I'm going to try one with the lace frosting because I don't know how it's going to turn out. But I'm really excited to taste them. So let me try them. They're so good. They kind of taste like sugared muffins, basically, with a little bit more sugar than the pre-made ones. And they're so good. I think the icing really makes them a lot better. And that's really it, guys. Hope you like our recipe. Bye!